Hello, mister.
Hello,
How are you?
I am very good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Murali.
Where are you from?
I am from Newport.
Okay, so do you have friends?
Yes, I have friends.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ilyas.
How are you?
I am a good.
I am good, right? Where are you from?
I am Munaba
I am from.
from.
Very good. Thank you very much. Hello, Dal Ahmad. How are you?
I am very good.
So, do you like coffee or apple juice?
I like coffee.
Okay. So, do you like fishing or you like playing sport?
I like playing sport.
Okay, nice. What's your name?
My name
How are you?
I am
Do you go to America or Russia in the future?
I go to America.
Thank you very much. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Sharif.
How are you?
I am
What color do you like? Do you like black or white?
Do you like?
I like.
I like black.
Okay, so do you watch film?
Yes, I like watch film.
Okay, American film or Turkish film?
American film
And do you watch film on YouTube or on TV?
on TV.
Interesting. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Okay, so what do you want to be in the future? Do you want to be do you want to be a businessman or you want to be a translator? Do you want to be a businessman in the future or you want to be a translator?
Our future
In the future.
is business.
Businessman. What kind of business? A car business or house business?
Car business.
Car business, okay. And the car business is good or bad from your idea? I think
I think
car
car
business
business
is good.
is good.
Very nice. So, hi.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Torbo.
Where are you from?
I am from
Do you go to school number 3 or number 5?
I go to school number 3.
Is it a big school or small school?
It's small school.
Okay, how many people live in your family?
Yeah, in our family lives 4.
4 people. So you have small family, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you play football or basketball?
I play football.
Football. And do you like fishing?
No, I don't like fishing.
Fishing. Okay. What's your name?
My name is
Do you like English? Yes, I like
Yes, I like English.
English. Okay. Thank you very much.